Well, the sun is about ready to set, and this is where we're at right now. This is where we're going to be at for a month for sure. And there's marshes there. Ah, this is nice. I know, I gotta speak louder so you can hear me, because the wind is blowing. But this is like a little island type thing. You could tell right there how wet it got up here when that tide came in during the storm. But some of those trailers stayed here, so I guess it's not that bad. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to stay here for at least a month. We've talked about maybe possibly 2 or 3 months. We could save some money that way. Would like to get us a little tiny boat, you know, small boat. And you can get boats really cheap. Used ones, of course. And maybe we could come across one, and then we could go down along the marshes, like through there and out that way, and Lord knows where it leads you to, and get some crabs. Yeah, we both like crabs. Not fish as much, but we both like crabs. But this is a beautiful, beautiful place, and nice. And I hope it stays that way. Of course, you know, we never know what the future is. But right now, we're going one day at a time. Just one day at a time. Early morning, and sitting out here on the pier. And look at this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Beautiful view. All around me, look at this. It goes into the marshes back here. And there I am. All the sounds, my gosh. All the different sounds. What is that sound, and where is it coming from? Listen to it. I don't know what it is. It's cool. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd just give you a good morning view of where I'm at. And there's a couple of birds on the pier. Look at that.